how to copy trades in GMGN. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, we will be checking out GMGN's feature, which is copy trade over here. So in the copy trade, we could see here different wallets that you could check from, and you could copy any of this wallet that you're choosing. You could click on create copy trade over here. And if you have a specific wallet address that you could copy, for example, you have found a wallet address not from our list over here, you could simply click on create copy trade and input their wallet address over here. You could put in the max amount or max buy amount over here or the fixed buy amount over here. You could have different sell methods. You have auto sell, not sells, and customized TP and CL. And simply enter the amount of sold that you're willing to utilize. Now, a lot of people are actually losing out. Some people are gaining money, but some people are losing out. For example, beginners make mistakes that they don't really analyze the wallets that they're copy trading because some wallets are actually trading with or between different wallets. So therefore, there will be some gas uh, token or gas fees between those, and your wallet or your copy trade or your copy feature will actually copy those as well. So instead of you gaining some profit, you will end up losing a lot of soul or a lot of money due to the amount of gas fees that are occurring within that wallet that you're copying. So what you're going to do is you're going to locate or find a wallet that actually focuses on just trading with one wallet. And after you found a wallet that you're happy with or you're satisfied with after analyzing or doing some analysis, what you could do is you click on create copy trade, paste their wallet address over here, and proceed and click on continue over here to begin your copy trade with GMGN. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.